Hello? You're right there. Come on. I'm gonna show you, okay? I bought mommy a van. So you guys can drive a van now. You and mommy have your own van. Yes. There's our van. Look at it, baby. Mommy has no idea. She's in the house right now. There's our new van. Look at it, baby. Yes. Hey, just a quick question, because I'm taking delivery of the van right now, but I noticed under the pinch weld of the driver door, it seemed like there was like kind of like some damage, and I was wondering if that's something that you happen to know if that was existing or if that happened on the transport. Mommy, come outside, look who's here. Please. It's no. All right, she's coming. What? Emery's excited too. It's your van, mommy. Because you're gonna be a mommy of two, and you need dual sliding doors on each side. Mommy got a van. It's here.
Fancy.
Let's go check out your van. Yeah. Because you need a van. Because you're gonna have an okay, but you're gonna have another baby. Mommy got her van.
Are you serious? How much was it?
Who cares? 17,000. Who cares? Mommy got a van. What? Alright, this is my first time seeing it. Just got delivered.
Are you serious?
I got it. I get to chill in the van. I don't have to drive you around no more. Let's take mommy's van.